Alright, in this video we are going to see how to create this hover effect using Css3. To follow along, I'll leave the source code in the description so that you can start along with me. Now if you see, we need two files. The first one is HTML and the second one is CSS. We are going to create the CSS from scratch, and this is the HTML. We have a box which holds all the anchor tag. Each anchor tag holds the font awesome icon. So this font awesome icon is coming from the CDN, which I have linked in the head tag, and we have the external style sheet which we are going to design right now. Now if you see, this is how the HTML looks like. Now we want the content to be at the center of the screen, so for that I'm going to call the body and give display grid, place items center, and we have to give the height of 100% of viewport height. Viewport is nothing but the browser. Now we need to give the background color, so for that I have noted it on the notepad. Let me copy paste it, refresh it. So this is how it looks. Now let's directly jump into the box. We have box, so I want it to be display flex, align items center, justify content space between, and the width is going to be 500. Now it will be evenly distributed on the width of 500 pixel. Now let's get into the box. Font size of 35 pixel, color of black, width and height 80 pixel width, and height 80 pixel, border radius 50 pixels, so I want circle, background the same which we have used as the background of the body. Now let's use the box shadow. I have copied it. So this is a CSS3 shorthand property. We can have multiple box shadow on a single line. So the magic lies on this inset. Now let's place this at the center. So we have to give text align center, and line height is of the height of the container. That works. Now we just have to add the hover effect for the anchor tag along with the box shadow. Box anchor tag, if I hover it, I want to add the text shadow, sorry, again the box shadow. Refresh it, let me hover it. You can see the scope of this video is done. Thank you so much for listening.